everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make a Christmas bird in a tree themed card that would be great to give a friend or family member over the holidays. Also, if you would like to join in on Crafty December and make a card from December 1st to the 25th, then use the hashtag craftydecember on Twitter and Instagram so I can see your wonderful creations. For this bird in a tree themed card, I used the Cricut Winter Frolic cartridge and cut out the tree with the bird and ornaments onto some white cardstock. I then cut out the tree base onto some white cardstock and the bird onto some blue. Once all the pieces were cut out, I colored the tree with the bird in black using my EK Success marker. I then used my Sharpie marker in the color brown to do the tree base. I also colored in the ornaments and the bird's wing with my EK Success markers again. After everything was colored in, I attached the pieces with my Zig 2A glue pen. Once the tree pieces were attached, I thought that the tree could use some snow. Since this is a Christmas card, I grabbed some white flocking powder from my stash and used my Zig 2A glue pen to add a light coating on the tree. Once the flocking powder was added, I lifted the tree up and tapped it with my finger to knock off the excess. For the card base, I took some white cardstock and cut it down with my Fiskars paper trimmer to the size I wanted it. I then scored it in half using my Martha Stewart scoreboard. I decided since I wanted to add a scene to the card, I would add some blue cardstock to the background to look like a sky. I attached the cardstock using my ATG tape runner and then trimmed it down using my EK Success scissors. After the background was attached to the card, I used my Big Shot machine and the Spellbinder Circles dies to cut out some half circles onto some white cardstock to look like some snow hills. I attached the snow hills together using my Zig 2A glue pen. Once the hills were attached, I lined them up on the card and saw that there would be a little gap where the two sets of hills would meet. I flipped the hills over and added a small scrap piece of white paper and then attached it to the card base with my Zig 2A glue pen. After the snow hills were attached to the card, I decided to pop the tree up with some foam tape. Since this tree had some small pieces, I had to cut the foam tape very thin so you wouldn't be able to see it behind it when it was stuck down. I then stuck the tree down in the bottom left corner. The last two things I decided to add to the front of the card was a sentiment that says Season's Greetings. For the sentiment, I stamped it onto the card base with some VersaFront Onyx black ink. I also added some snowflakes. I inked the snowflake up with some color box blue ink and stamped them randomly on the card and then thought the front looked complete. At this point, the camera had ran out of battery and had stopped filming. I added a bird to the inside of the card and colored it in with my Crayola pencil crayons and then thought the whole card looked complete. Thanks for watching. Please give this awesome video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also tune in tomorrow for another Christmas themed card.